just saw a huge, the big bus.
Oh yeah, we used to call those in Jamaica. What we call it again?
The big bus?
No. Oh my gosh.
Taxi?
No, I can't remember.
Let me
like
see.
train.
Pull your Jamaican card.
It smells
What
Nutella.
do you call it again? Jeez,
Boxcar.
See the people?
Boxcar.
Okay, I said boxcar.
Oh,
Come
boy.
on, man. What is it? What do you call it?
I can't remember. Auto. Wait,
What?
call again?
Auto start.
No, it's like. I can't remember. Just count it as I can't remember. I knew you were gonna go there, you know.
It's called Boxcar.
Pick your crepes, please. I'm gonna have a sweet or savory.
Daddy, are you gonna get breakfast?
What's the word?
Breakfast.
she always say breakfast. Break fast. Try breaking it up.
Break fast. Breakfast.
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 No, I was just looking at that. Breakfast.
Oh, the word, yeah. Ouvert. It means open.
Duvage. This is how you say the food is great.
I think Daddy's gonna go for like some
Makalapa.
spinach and egg crepe.
Yeah.
Dream, what you getting? Nutella?
Blueberries, banana, grilled almonds, and honey.
Okay.
I'm just wondering. You're supposed to decide. Oh, is that a small Nutella?
Oh, that's a huge thing of Nutella.
No, but look at this small
My
bread.
boss will hire me.
Yeah.
Doing a good job.
Of
I
course.
started yesterday.
No, you're the boss.
I wait.
No, you
I
don't
work
own it?
here.
Did you really start yesterday?
No.
Oh,
But
okay.
I work here.
Oh, okay.
The boss is my wife.
Good answer, good answer. Yours.
There you go.
Thank
That is
you.
amazing.
Beautiful. Oh, Taylor, this is gorgeous.
That was quick, guys.
Taylor, wait. Bless us, O Lord, and these thy gifts that we're about to receive. In your precious name we pray. Amen. Bless the hands that make this food, and bless the nourishment to our bodies. Amen.
Amen. Let's see.
Merci. Now let's eat.
I just. Can you button me up?
Hold on. Close the door.
Now you want me to button you up, huh? Now you see how cold it is outside. You want to get buttoned up now.
Exactly.
Hit that door without, oh, wait, Daddy, can you button me up?
I don't know. I'm just like infamous for saying random wrong things. Like just completely saying something different, like adios when I'm supposed to be saying, is it abierto or abierto means open? I don't know. Let's go. Let's go this way.
All right, somebody needs to hold on to Taylor. So we're having a walk and see. dry and put your hand around the shoulder or something.
Let's go this way really quick. Oh, that way it moves. Look. You put the round thing on it. That's what makes it bouncy. Is that what wasn't working?
Yes.
See, you were missing a key part. Mommy did it.
Hey, let's see if Andrea can bounce onto it.
Yeah.
Whoa, Andrea, how was that? I mean, Jody,
Wait, we
how
still have to add these two.
Oh, those
Right
two,
here.
I have them. Jody, how do you think? Jody, you want to test the sauce? Yeah, I already did that part. I already did. Look,
Standing on the chair.
I was fixing the thing, woman.
Who gets dressed standing up on a chair? Tell her why your father's standing up on a chair getting
I don't
dressed.
I should have known you was up to something. Can't live with all these people in here. Can't live.
But you go up there, forget the something, and you stand up on the
Because
chair.
when I get dressed with a room with women and they ain't got a room for me to stand but on a chair. Yeah, y'all something in every place.
Babe, you climb up on the thing, forget your belt, and you decide to stay up there, put on your clothes, on top of the chair.
Yeah. That's how you do it when you get your clothes tailored, you know.
What a view. Y'all could see the Notre Dame Basilica, like right there. I could go outside. I'm going on our balcony. It's a beautiful day, babe. The weather got nice. Until we start walking, right? I pray I don't drop my phone. It's a beautiful day. We're looking for something fun to do. Marry you. When you look in your eyes, or is it the dancing shoes? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. That was the view. Y'all don't look at my crazy hair. You know this girl shame tree broke down long time. I got it from my mama. No shame. Look at that sexy man right there. Whose man is that? Hey, baby. Troon. Lift your hands up. All right, we're ready to go. Your jacket's right here. Taylor, let's go.
And I don't have a lot of family around me, so
What's wrong with your face? We're getting ready to tears in my mouth. Go to the museum. We're gonna do the museum. We're gonna do Notre
We're
Dame.
supposed to have Demon, but she has yellow all over her.
I don't know what is wrong with this little rugrat. I don't know. God, give me patience. Patience. I'm gonna say a quick 2-second prayer. Okay, so anyways, we're about to go to Notre Dame, as well as explore Old Montreal, and we're gonna pick up some lunch along the way. So stay tuned for the ride. By the time I get to where we're going, this hair will be out. As you guys know, this is a curly girl problem. I usually don't do my hair until right before I leave, hence why it's always in twists until the last minute. So stay tuned, guys. Oh wait, so cleaning people do come up? Wow. What's up, Mr. Matthew?
I'm good. Chilling.
Like a villain.
This is regular water.
That one's not, no.
This is regular water.
We have a little spice cut as spicy. There's no elevators.
Did you guys click?
We have to walk downstairs.
Go ahead, we meet you.
Okay.
Stand up in case somebody looks at you.
Man, that she gotta walk.
Wanna go on my back? Wanna go on my back? Babe, that was, you should see the levels of, like force I had to use to jump
Oh,
off.
that's all right. I'm on the camera. I got it.
Man, girl, what are you eating?
You want to smile now? And now you want to smile?
That was a workout. Whew.
You could have had already.
Huh? And you have some
I know.
nerve?
I know.
Don't tell me I should have had that workout already.
Then she wouldn't have lifted you up because then she wouldn't need the workout.
People, this is what you call putting it bright and feisty. Bright and feisty. Oh, look at the horse and carriage. Right
You were
there.
sleeping when it passed earlier.
You...
Let's go for a ride, Benetton.
How much is it?
That's there's a half an hour tour for $53. That's included guided tour. Half an hour for other people. That's city price. Nice hair. The dog's name is Sushi. You can pet Sushi? Hey, nice furs. Wow. My name is Ben. Where are you from?
New Jersey.
Oh, wait.
Well, we wanted to go in there first, so we're going to go in and then when we come out, we'll come back, okay?
Okay,
If you're still here, but we're just going to go inside first.
no problem.
Okay.
$6. Six. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Beautiful. Great singer, Celine Dion. Get married.
Really? Wow. And your
Horse's name is
beautiful.
Danny. Danny boy.
We'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Oh, wait, can you give us a ride and then we to like the waterfront? Yeah? Okay.
Everything you want. I'm
Okay,
a servant.
We want to go that way.
My name is Ben. 30-year experience.
Okay. Well, we're just going to go in there
This
first.
was closed at 6 o'clock. They still got the sunshine. The best driver in town.
Oh, well, we wanted to. We're going to go with him. We're just going to go around.
Okay. Don't wait till the sunshine go.
Okay. Is it the way to the sun go? Right, down to the old Montreal where we're going to walk.
Let's go.
Children $4 or free.
Children $4.
That's what I'm saying, but look at the artwork. How beautiful it is. It's not freezing. Don't listen to him. It's not cold.
That's the oldest square of
It's
Montreal.
being over dramatic.
100 years ago, it was the
Thank you,
farmer's
Taylor.
market.
He's being overdramatic.
Right here.
Oh yes, this is where we came last time. They had a whole bunch of shops here, right?
Oh yeah.
And like,
Summertime is very busy. Today, there's a lot of today, Donald designed the church.
How many years ago?
It's a French artist who made the wood job inside.
Oh.
Michelangelo in Italy.
Oh,
Only 2 years to finish the wood job inside the church. Wow.
Michelangelo?
No, Victor Hugo. Like Michelangelo.
Oh,
Take
okay.
All his life to make the job.
Got it.
Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. You like? Are you warm?
Yeah.
You really like sushi, huh? Baby, you got all the fur. You took all the fur.
No furs on me. Wait, sushi, is this your fur? Sushi.
You gotta make sure.
I have.
You got the choice for the hours.
This is literally the best one.
More people getting some.
If I warm too.
Perfect for a cold day.
How is it, bro?
Si bangin, man. Si bangin.
We just did our walking tour in half of the time. I'm gonna be like, dang, look at this stubborn dog. No one got you. You should have seen him a while ago. No one got you the road.
That means we just can't walk our puppy. It's hot, but it's delicious.
That's the best, because
Literally, I could have this pasta tonight.
Yeah.